Good day, everyone! I'm Sheila Grace Coimi, together with my group mates Angelo Climaco, Judith Corpus, Daniela Joy Vergara, Adrian Leono, and Mark Ivan Bones, and we are the presenters for today. Our topic is all about Exercise 9, Factorial Experiment in CRD. So, factorial experiment in CRD, it is an experimental units that assume to be homogeneous and completely randomized, allocated, and make use of blocking, resorted when homogeneity of experimental units is a problem. All treatments combination are randomized in each block. Blocking is done in such a way that experimental units in a block are homogeneous. So we have the data below here, are the average milk yields pounds obtained from the cows for a 4-week period as affected by 4 different feed treatment and 3 levels of vitamins. So the data here, the factor A, that is a 4 different feed treatment, which is A sub 1, A sub 2, and A sub 3, and A sub 4. Then, the factor B here, that is the 3 levels of vitamins, which is vitamin B sub 1, B sub 2, and B sub 3. And as you can see here, our 4 different feed treatment, they are replicated by 3. So, how to get the feed treatment total which replicate by 3? So, as simple, you need to add all data of vitamin B sub 1 feed treatment replication 1 to replication 3. So, let's start it. Replication 1, we have 30 plus 20 plus 26 equals 76. Then, next, B sub 2 feed treatment replication. 26 plus 25 plus 20 equals 71. Then you can follow. Next, B sub 3 feed treatment replication. 30 plus 40 plus 35 equals 105. Then, after that, we add all total value of each replication. So, in feed treatment A sub 1, we have a subtotal of 252. So, the same process with the following treatment. A sub 2 vitamin B sub 1 feed treatment replication 1 is 28 plus 26 plus 28 equals 82. Follow the B sub 2, 35 plus 27 plus 29 equals 91. And B sub 3, 42 plus 30 plus 42 equals 110. Then, add it all total. So, we have subtotal of 287. Next feed treatment, A sub 3, vitamin B sub 1 treatment is 23 plus 22 plus 28 equals 73. Then, B sub 2 treatment, 30 plus 26 plus 32 equals 88. And B sub 3 treatment is 42 plus 30 plus 42 equals 106. Then, add all total, we have subtotal of 276. So, next, the last feed treatment, A sub 4, vitamin B sub 1 treatment is 33 plus 32 plus 28, we have the total of 93. Then, B sub 2 treatment is 30 plus 32 plus 32 equals 94. And B sub 3 treatment is 35 plus 39 plus 98 equals 112. And add it all, we have subtotal of 299. So, after getting the subtotal, those subtotal, we add it all to get our final total. So, we have a final total of 1,105. So, the following table below, that is the vitamin B multiplied feed treatment table of totals. As you can see, we have 3 levels of vitamin B and 4 different feed treatment. So, after getting the total of replication and subtotal of each level and replication, we need to add all total which in line in all replication. So, first in line, data are all row 1, vitamin B sub 1. We have feed treatment 1 is 76 plus, feed treatment 2 is 82 plus, feed treatment 3 is 73 plus, feed treatment 4 is 93 equals 324. Then, follow the next in line, all row 2, B sub 2, feed treatment 1, 71 plus, feed treatment 2, 91 plus, feed treatment 3, 83 plus, feed treatment 4, 94 equals 344. The next, all row 3, B sub 3, feed treatment 1, 105 plus, feed treatment 2, 114 plus, feed treatment 3, 106 plus, feed treatment 4, 112 equals 437. Then, after that, we also add all column from column F sub 1, vitamin B sub 1 to B sub 3. So, we have a total of 252, and next column, F sub 2, vitamin B sub 1 to B sub 3 is a total of 287. Next column, F sub 3, we have F sub 3, vitamin B sub 1 to B sub 3. We have 267 total, and lastly, F sub 4, vitamin B sub 1 to B sub 3. We have 299. Then, the total in all of column and row, which is 1,105. So, next, to compute for the coefficient variation or the CV, we have CV equals, square root nato ang mean square error or ang MSE, i-divide na to siya sa mean, dayon i-times og 100. So, equals 14.3333 divide 13.69444 times 100 equals 12.33%. Mao na siya ang atong CV. That's all. Thank you.
Illustrate the possible layout of the experiment. Factor A, feed treatment equals 4, A1, A2, A3, and A4. Factor V, vitamin B equals 3, BE, B2, and B3. A1, B1, A1, B1, B2, A1, B2, B3, A1, B3. A2, B1, A2, B1, B2, E2, B2, B3, A2, B3. And lastly, E4, B1, A4, B1, B2, E4, B2, B3, E4, B3. Treatment combination equals EB equals 4 times 3 equals 12. Treatment code T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8, T9, T10, T11, T12. Treatment combination A1, B1, A1, B1, A1, B3, A2, B1, A2, B2, A2, B3, A3, B1, A3, B2, A3, B3, E4, B1, E4, B2, E4, B3. T equals 12, R equals 3. N equals RT. 12 times 3 equals 36. Randomize and layout of factorial CRD. The header key equals 12, R equals 3, N equals RT equals 3 times 12 equals 36. There is a possible layout of CRD and randomize and layout. This is the sequence. A1, B1, R2, A1, B2, R3, A3, B1, R1, A3, B1, R2, A1, B2, R2, A1, B2, R1, A1, B1, R3, A2, B1, R2, A3, B2, R2, A2, B2, R2, A2, B1, R1, A2, B1, R3, A3, B1, R3, E4, B1, R3, A2, B2, 3R3, A2, B2, R3, A1, B3, R1, A2, B3, R2, A3, B2, R1, A4, B2, R1, A3, B2, B3, A3, B3, R3, E4, B1, R2, A4, B2, R2, E4, B2, B3, E4, B1, R1, A1, B3, R3, A2, B2, R1, A3, B3, R1, A4, B3, R3, A4, B2, R3, A3, B3, R2, A4, B2, 3, R2, A1, B3, R2, A2, B3, R1, and lastly is A2, B3, R3.
Everyone, I am Angelo D. Climaco. O karon atong ipadayon ang ilang nasugdan. So I am going to explain to you the degrees of freedom or DF. So our T is equals of 11 and our R is equals of 3. So as you can see, we have SV and DF. Our treatment, open parenthesis EB minus 1, close parenthesis is equals of at 4 times 3 equals 12. Minus 1 is equals 11. So, ana na kadali. Ang nakuha ito 4 sa A, ang sa 3 sa B. Ana na. So, ang factor A minus 1 equals, atong A man kay 4, A minus 1, so equals 3. So, factor B minus 1 equals 3. Minus 1 equals 2. Ana na, pag elementary na siya, igot mo plus plus. Atong A times B, open parenthesis A minus 1, close parenthesis, open parenthesis B minus 1, close parenthesis is equals 3 times 2 equals 6. Our error, AB, open parenthesis R minus 1, close parenthesis is equals. So, atong AB is 12. Ang atong R is 3. So, mo siya, 12. Open parenthesis, 3 minus 1, close parenthesis, is equals of 24. So, our total, ABR minus 1 equals 4 times 3 times 3 is equals 35. So, let us proceed the FT statistic from F table. So, atong treatment sa atong GF, 11. So, muna siya, ang nakuha na to 11 is the total of the treatment 11. So, makita ang 80 balls sa 11 is sa 0.05 is 2.22. Sa 0.01, 3.09. So, ang factor is 3. So, sa 80 balls, sa 0.05, makita na to ang 3.01. Sa 0.01, 4.72. Sa factor B, ang gift dato is 2. Kay 2 man diri ang result. Sa 80 balls, sa 0.05, sa 3.40, sa 0.01, 5.61. So, sa A times B, 6. Sa F table, 0.05. Makita ito ang 2.51. Sa 0.01 is 3.67. So, sa itong error, ang DF, kay 24 man, 24. Sa total na to is 35, that is why 35. We have another table, the vitamin B times feed table of total. So, vitamin B by P. So our B1, B2, B3, and the total. So yield total AB. So atong F1, sa atong B1 is 76, B2 is 71, B3 is 105, atong total is 252. Why 252? Igo mo siya ipang plus. That is why 252. Then the report sa kuan, makita na to ang total nila diri sa 324, 344, 437. Kaya igo naman na siya ipang total siya. Igo siya 76 plus 82 plus 73 plus 93 is equal 324. So mo siya ang 324 plus 344 plus 437 is equals 1,105. So data sa atong computation. So atong CF is equals open parenthesis summation of x close parenthesis is equals n is equals open parenthesis atong summation of x is 1,105 close parenthesis squared divided by 36. Kaya kagina sa nakita niyo sa pagkuan is ang 36 dito man nakuha ang sa n. So, the result of 1,105 squared is 1,22025 divided by 36 equals 33917.36111 or in short, 33917.36. So, ana na siya. Then, number 2, the total of summation of squared is equals summation of x squared minus CF. So, atong 30, nakuha na dito sa, explain ako sa table. So, 30 squared plus 26 squared plus 30 squared and so on. Then, 38 minus 33917.36111. So, equals sa pagkaman itong class, nag-result siya og 35071. So, kay ang ato amang CF is 391 minus 36. So, atong gi-minus siya diri sa summation of x squared. So, muna siya 33917.36111. So, ang result is 1153.63889 or in short, 153.64. So let us proceed to our TRSS equals summation of EB squared divided by R minus CF. So amin na kung 76 naradiri. So 76, 71, 105. So muna siya 76 squared plus 71 squared plus 105 squared and so on. Atong i-minus dayon ang CF. Kaya ang result man sa atong CF is 33917.36111. So, muna siya diri ang tong CF. So, igo din siya i-divide sa 3R. Kaya atong 3R man is 3. So, ang result ani is 104181. Atong is 3. Atong i-minus sa CF which is 33917.36111. Is equals of 809.63889 or in short 809.64. Let's proceed to number 4 which is ESS equals of summation E squared minus divided rather by BR minus CF. So our summation of E squared is equals to open parenthesis 252 squared 219 squared close parenthesis is equals of 306563 divided by 9. So, kay 9 is 3 times 3 equals 9. And minus na to sa CF, 33917.36111 is equals of 145.1944456 or in short, 145.19. So let us proceed to our B5, which is BSS equals summation of B squared divided by BR minus CF is equals 324 squared plus 344 squared plus 437 squared close is equals 414281 divided by 12. So, 4 times 3 equals 12. So, ato na po yung minus sa CF. So, 33917.36111 is equals of 606.055557, or it shows 606.06. So let us proceed to number 6, which is E times BSS equals TRSS minus ESS minus BSS. So, okay, ang result ba sa atong TRSS is equals of 809.63889 minus sa atong ESS 145.1944456 minus BSS is equals 606.055557 is equals of 58.388887, or in short 58.39. So, ano na siya kasi iguro to ipa-minus ang TRSS sa SSS, ESS minus BSS. So, let us proceed to number 7, which is ESS minus TSS minus TRSS. So, 1153.63889 minus 809.63889 is equals of 344. So,
the continuation of number 7, MSA equals ASS over ADS. So, your ASS here is 145.1944456. Divide 3, the total is 48.39814853, or 48.40. Number 9, MSB equals BSS over BDF. So the BSS here is 606.0555567. Divide 2, the total is 303.0277784, or 303.03. Number 10, mean square of factor A times factor B equals A times B sum square divide A times BDF. So the A times BSS here is 58.388887 divide 6. The total is 9.70148123, or 9.73. Number 11, MSE equals ESS over ADF. So the ASS here is 344 divide 24. The total is 14.333333, or 14.33. Number 12, FA equals MSA over MSF. So the MSA here is 48.39814853 divided by 14.333333. The total is 3.37661515, or 3.38. Number 13, FB equals MSP over MSE. The MSB here is 303.0277784 divided 14.333333. The total is 21.14147292, or 21.14. Number 14, FAYB equals mean square of factor A times B over MSA. So the mean square of factor A times B is 9.73148123 divided by 14.33333. The total is 0.6789805548, or 0.68.
ANOVA table. SV is equals to treatment. Degrees of freedom is equals to 11. Sum of square is equals to 809.64. A, or the feed treatment. Degrees of freedom is equals to 3. Sum of square is equals to 145.19. Mean of square is equals to 48.40. F computed value is equals to 3.38. F tab at 0.05 is equals to 3.01. At 0.01 is equals to 4.72. B is equal, or vitamin B is equals to, degrees of freedom is equals to 2. Sum of square is equals to 606.06. Mean of square is equals to 303. F computed value is equals to 31.14. F tab at 0.05 is equals to 3.40. F tab at 0.01 is equals to 5.61. A times B. Degrees of freedom is equals to 6. Sum of square is equals to 58.39. Mean square is equals to 9.73. F computed value is equals to 0.65 ns. F tab at 0.05 is equals to 2.57. And 0.01 is equals to 3.67. Error. Degrees of freedom is equals to 24. Sum of square is equals to 344. Mean square is equals to 14.33. Total of degrees of freedom is equals to 35. Sum of square is equals to 1,153.64.
Good day everyone. My name is Adrian Leonard Biliono from BSA 2G. So this is my report. Make a short conclusion. Main effect of factor A. From the table of F distribution, at DF factor, A equals to 3 and DF error is equals to 24. The effect of the 3-feed treatment on the average milk yields obtained from the cows is significant. Main effect of factor B. From the table of distribution, at DF factor, B is equals to 2 and DF error is equals to 24. The effect of the vitamin B on the average milk yields obtained from the cows is highly significant. Interaction effect A, B. From the table of F distribution, at DF factor A times B is equals to 6 and DF error is equals to 24. The effect of factor A and factor B on the average milk yields obtained from the cows is no significant.